In this video, we are going to talk about YouTube cash cow passive income potential you can't ignore. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. It's possible that the idea of a cash cow channel will seem a little foreign to anybody who hasn't given serious consideration to the possibility of using YouTube as a source of passive income. This concept, which I'm going to explain in its entirety to you today, deviates dramatically from the more conventional techniques that are often taken to the generation of passive income. This cash cow channel concept, which is based on the current world of work and economic trends, has the potential to become one of the most popular ideas for passive income in the years 2021 and 2022. People like Caleb Box and Matt Parr have been able to generate monthly incomes in the six-figure range by developing a large number of cash cow channels and instructing others on how to replicate their success. In the course of this article, I will describe in detail what a cash cow channel, or YouTube automation, is, provide you with 5 explanations for why these types of channels provide the greatest potential for earning passive income right now, and demonstrate how to create your very own. What is a cash cow channel? This business concept is great for anybody searching for a flexible passive income on the internet, since these channels are built only for profit and operated innovatively. Cash cow channels have several distinct characteristics, including 1. No need to show your face. It's not really how to build a cash cow channel or any specialty on YouTube that people are afraid about, but rather whether or not they would be exposed online. There's no need to hide your identity when you have cash cow channels at your disposal. You don't even have to put your face out there to make thousands of dollars a month. Cash cow channels are a huge relief for introverts like me, and I'm sure there are many more like us. You'll never run out of ideas or niches to take on, since there are tens of YouTube channel ideas without putting your face out there. 2. A YouTube cash cow channel can be fully automated. YouTube cash cow channels do not require your continual engagement to operate or post videos. It's all about the screenplay, the voiceovers, the editing, the thumbnails, and the SEO to get your videos to the top of the search results on a cash cow channel. Since they're all faceless, there is no need to do any of these tasks in-house. Instead, just keep an eye on the process's overall flow. If you're looking for passive income ideas for 2021, having a company like this one going is a great place to start. How would Caleb Maddox manage to operate 20 channels if it weren't for automation when it comes to making money online? How much more labor and dedication would it take to run 10 or 20 YouTube channels? 3. Scalability and multiple channels. Creating more of these YouTube cash cow channels and videos is all that remains after you've figured out how they work. 50 additional videos on your channel are all you need to earn $6,000 a month from your YouTube channel if you now make $3,000 a month. That's what YouTube's cash cow is all about. If everything is good on your first cash cow channel, you may now consider adding a second or third one, and that's how you construct a real estate of videos that generates passive revenue for you every day online. 4. Your YouTube cash cow channel can milk money forever. Making money on a YouTube cash cow channel means taking advantage of a platform with a high volume of daily visitors. By 2020, the video will account for about 80% of all internet traffic, demonstrating the enormous potential of the cash cow video niche and the long-term sustainability of any money generated via its use. 5. Extra YouTube cash cow income with affiliate programs and more. YouTube Partners Program demands 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours in the previous 12 months, which is what most people think is the only method to get money on YouTube. If you're serious about making it to the top, don't rely on it as your only source of income. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.